Right, again, we've had a bit of a storm down here, so Caroline, you see the damage, can't we?
Yeah.
Look. Oh dear.
The artichokes have had a bantram. I don't know if they've...
The artichokes
most
have
of
gone.
them
Look, that's snapped completely.
Yeah.
Wow, we've had some windy weather. So let's do the stroll up.
See the pumpkins now?
Yeah, well, at least we could see the pumpkins, yeah. But, wow, what?
Orange as well. I got one in the garden here.
I don't think we're going to get any more growth from them now, are they? They're going to have to be picked.
No, leave them for now.
They would be alright, will they?
Yeah, should be. If it gets too wet, if it's wet all through, we might pick them next week.